This is how I mix my mud. DIYs. I have put in about 70 ml of water. I put in half to a bit over half a bag. Mix it like that, pour in the rest. And that's it. Done. I used to mix it with a shovel and all that, but no, I find it easier now because I'm in. If I was in a bigger place, you know, like, but every bathroom I'm doing now these days is in a household. There's not always room to mix up the mud, so that's why I use the bagged stuff. So convenient. And I mix it in the bathroom most of the time. Pop that there. So I'm dragging it back. It's flat, it's falling from there into my shower. When guys are screeding on YouTube, it's all it all looks easy, but it does take a little bit of practice. But like I said before, you might get a little bit of up and down DIYs. Just use a bigger trowel. And you're laughing. That's about 70 or 80 mil. People say, why don't you get a labourer? Well, I'm not going to pay a labourer to stand around for half a day. Because that's what happens. You sort of create work for them. Sprinkle out your glue, add your slurry, this will be my last bit, and then I'll sort myself out here, because I'll be mixing out in this little room here in a minute. Like when you're doing bathrooms, if I had a labourer, you're in each other's road. So you're better off by yourself. And I don't reckon I'd do bathrooms much quicker, because I have everything down to a system. I know exactly what I'm doing next or the next day. I used to do all sorts of tiling years ago, but I just stick to bathrooms now. When you're doing all sorts of tiling, well then you need a labourer. Because a lot of times you're mixing mud and like all sorts. Okay, I'll just get this glove off. This is only the beginning. Subscribe. We'll see you soon.